Have you ever gotten stuck on a research project, drowning in information overload? Or maybe you're a writer facing writer's block, staring at a blank page with a deadline looming. Perhaps you're simply curious about the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and its potential to transform our world. Well, if any of these scenarios resonate with you, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, a powerful language model that's making waves in the field of AI. But before we dissect what makes Gemini tick, let's rewind a bit. Artificial intelligence has been around for decades, captivating imaginations with ideas of sentient robots and futuristic technology. While the reality is still evolving, significant strides have been made. Machine learning, a subset of AI, has become a game-changer, allowing computers to learn and improve without explicit programming. This brings us to large language models, like Gemini. Imagine a vast digital library containing the collective knowledge of the Internet, text, code, research papers, you name it. Large language models are trained on this immense dataset, allowing them to process information, generate text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. So, what sets Gemini apart? Here's where things get interesting. Let's explore the key features that make Gemini such a powerful tool. 1. Access to up-to-date information. Unlike traditional search engines that simply return results, Gemini boasts a constantly updated knowledge base. This means you can be confident that the information it provides is current and relevant, a crucial factor in our ever-changing world. 2. Unparalleled processing power. Capable of analyzing massive amounts of data at lightning speed, Gemini can synthesize information from various sources and present it in a clear and concise manner. Think of it as having a personal research assistant that can sift through mountains of data and deliver the insights you need. 3. Diverse skill set. Gemini's abilities extend far beyond information retrieval. It can generate different creative text formats, from poems and code to scripts and musical pieces. Imagine brainstorming ideas for a new marketing campaign or getting a jumpstart on your next writing project with Gemini's creative spark. 4. Multilingual mastery. The world is a multilingual tapestry, and Gemini understands that. It can translate languages with impressive accuracy, breaking down communication barriers and fostering collaboration across borders. 5. Continuous learning. Unlike static software programs, Gemini is a living, breathing entity constantly learning and evolving. As it's exposed to new information and interacts with users, its capabilities continue to grow, making it a powerful tool for the future. Now, here's the exciting part. Gemini isn't some exclusive technology locked away in a lab. It's designed to be accessible and user-friendly, allowing anyone to leverage its power. Whether you're a student, a researcher, a writer, or simply someone curious about the world, Gemini can be your AI companion, helping you navigate the vast ocean of information and unlock new possibilities. Of course, with any powerful tool, responsible use is key. Large language models raise ethical concerns surrounding bias and misinformation. It's important to be critical of the information you receive, understanding that these models are not perfect reflections of reality. However, when used thoughtfully and with a discerning eye, the potential of Gemini is undeniable. It can empower us to learn, create, and solve problems in ways unimaginable just a few years ago. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.